In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a Google Meet link and share it with others step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a meeting link that you can use right away or save for later, and how to send it to anyone who needs to join. Let's start by opening Google Meet. You can get there in a couple of ways. One of the most common is to open your web browser and go to meet.google.com. Make sure you're signed in with the Google account you want to use for the meeting. If you see a sign in button, click it and log in with your usual Google credentials. Another way is through your Gmail inbox if you use it. On the left or right side of Gmail, you may see options related to Meet. Clicking those will also take you into Google Meet. No matter how you get there, the main page will look similar with options to start or schedule a meeting. Once you're on the Google Meet home screen, look for the button that says New Meeting. This is your starting point for setting up any kind of meeting. Click on New Meeting. When you do this, Google Meet will show you a few different choices. From these options, you want to select Create a Meeting for Later. And this is important because it generates a meeting link without immediately starting the call. It's perfect if you're planning ahead, need to put the link into a calendar invite, or just want to share it with people so they can join at a specific time. Go ahead and click Create a Meeting for Later. As soon as you select that option, Google Meet will create a unique meeting link for you. You'll see a URL appear on the screen, usually starting with https://meet.google.com, followed by a series of letters. This is the link that participants will click to join your meeting. Now you'll want to copy that link. Next to the link, you'll typically see an icon or a button that says something like Copy or Copy Meeting Link. Click that and the link will be copied to your clipboard. If for some reason that doesn't work, you can also highlight the link with your mouse, right-click and choose Copy. Either way, make sure it's copied before you move on. With the link copied, you're ready to share it. You can paste it into an email, a chat message, a text, or even a document or presentation. Just click into the place where you want to share it, use Paste, and it will appear there. If you use a calendar app like Google Calendar, you can create a new event and paste the link into the location or description field so everyone invited sees it clearly. When people receive the link, all they need to do is click it at the scheduled time. It will open Google Meet in their browser or app, and they'll be able to request to join the meeting. You can reuse this link as many times as you like, unless you decide to create a new one. That's all there is to it. You've opened Google Meet, created a meeting for later, copied the link, and shared it with others so they can join your call.